Egg fried rice. Let's go. Skillet, wok, or kind of in between thing like I've got here. I've got oil in there. Get it nice and hot. This is going to be high heat all the way. In goes 1 cup of onion. And about a cup of peas, garden peas. These are a frozen one. I just soak them into a little bit of water. High heat, 2 minutes. So you can use any oil basically there, canola, sunflower, vegetable, up to you. We're going to go with a tablespoon of chopped garlic, and if you wanted you could be adding ginger to this as well. I'm just going to go with garlic today. We're going to add a little pinch of salt, couple of pinches of black pepper or white pepper, some people prefer, and again 2 more minutes on this high heat. Fabulous. Next up we're going to get our rice in there. Now I'm using a basmati rice, but what's important is this rice was cooked yesterday. It's a cold rice, cooked yesterday, put in the refrigerator. Fries so much nicer than hot or warm rice. And we actually need to fry the rice. We're not making a rice salad here. So if I get a little bit of browning or even blackening on my rice, I'm super happy. About 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm hoping that you can hear that. That is the rice frying. You really do want to fry it. And you can see I've just pushed it to one side. I'm going to drop in just a little bit of sesame oil, just in there. And then here I've got 4 eggs that I've roughly beaten. We're now going to be cooking our eggs here to however you like them. I like mine fairly well done. Once that happens, we're going to mix it in. So that's pretty good for me. So let's now mix this egg in. Now if you wanted, you can get other vegetables in there. Some people would put other things in there. Some people would even put ham in there. I've seen people put all sorts of stuff in. Shrimps, pork, ham, chicken, keeping it really simple today. Some people would put a little bit of soy sauce in there. For me, I like it just like this. This is beautiful. Just finished that off with a few green onions or spring onions or scallions, whatever you want to call them, on the top. That's it. Beautiful, nice and fluffy. The rice is cooked, a little bit of browning on it, even a little bit of blackening, like I say. That's delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.